idea was, having a woman direct woman scenes. So it really helps a lot because it otherwise it becomes a man's perspective of just a.
Dialogues, so on the day you'll be given something which, it's like, oh, this is the dialogue. And then it'll be like, ye bhul ja. I don't think I felt this much delight on a set. Ever. It was really, really liberating for me.
I just wanted to work with Anurag because for an actor, he's a delight. For an actor, he brings out something which they don't even know they have in them. I've been telling Nikhil, I said, "Tu Nikhil, तेरे पोस्ट देखता रहता हूँ अनुराग के साथ को बोलना मेरे साथ फिल्म करने को."
They actually became brothers sisters while performing. They went beyond the script. It came to a point I was crying on the monitor and I didn't forget to say cut. And they just went on.
Anurag Kashyap is here with his whole team. Hi, welcome to Toronto.
Thank you.
You were just in Venice. What is the jet lag situation like right now?
Very bad.
Yeah, very bad.
Yeah.
Well, let's ask
4
the rest of
countries in
them.
4 days.
Sanya, how's your jet lag situation?
I'm okay. I have a headache, but I'm good.
You're अभी तो premiere है आज रात को, so you guys
Yes.
better like wake up. Hi Sabha, it's nice to see you.
Hello.
Hello Nikhil, nice to see you also. Sapna, I'm seeing you after how many years?
13 years.
13 years, I think. And Bobby sir, hi.
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 Wow,
How
क्या
nice
hi-fi
you're
है.
looking.
Thank you.
Movie star. Walk into the room, there's a movie star in the room. Congratulations on Monkey in a Cage. The first show already happened, the press show's already happened. Are you hearing anything from people yet?
Yes.
And what is it?
It's very good and it's quite intense and I think it serves the purpose.
Yeah. Nikhil, the story came to you first, right? The film came to you and then you went to Anurag. Like, what is the genesis here?
I stumbled upon a piece of work which was written by someone about this event that happened. A series of events that happened. Something moved me in it. I started to look for writers. Anurag is always usually the first choice of writing something, but he was already writing something with me, and I didn't want to divert his attention. So I rushed to Sudeep Sharma to write it. He wrote something which was very interesting. I wanted Anurag to co-produce this film with me, actually. He read it and he said, "I'm directing it." And who says no to Anurag then? So, yeah.
So there's Sudeep Sharma, there's Abhishek Banerjee, who's also written the film. Not the actor Abhishek Banerjee, the writer Abhishek Banerjee, right? Not the actor,
Pataluk too.
Pataluk, exactly. And you also have a co-director on
Sakshi,
this film.
yeah.
So tell me about that. What is that
See,
situation?
this film has been a very difficult experience. It's like walking a very thin line. Also, the idea was, having a woman direct woman scenes or having to say something about right, wrong, whatever it was. Like, it really helped a lot with the scenes between the brothers, sisters, with Sapna was entirely shot by her, or the Sabha's monologues and things. So it really helps a lot because it otherwise it becomes a man's perspective of just a woman being in the film. So that's the reason Sakshi is there in the film.
Bobby sir, your opening sequence is so fun in this film. Like, I'm not going to talk much about it because people should experience it, but it is so, you walking in and then there's that song and dance and you get on the stage and it completely flips the script right there and then when you see that where you're actually performing, that scene changes meaning entirely. How did you approach Samar's character, considering he's not really like a winner?
I guess, your life experiences of whatever journey you go through ups and downs. And there are moments in your life where you feel like a loser. And all your experiences, I've been in this industry for 30 years, and all these experiences for an actor come handy to perform because you know those emotions, you feel those emotions. And the opening sequence was all Anurag's idea. Because there I was performing, and I guess it is typical that you have a guitar in your hand and you're singing. And I was just standing there, just rehearsing. I was just doing this and singing. He just said, "I want you to do it this way only." I said, "Are you sure?" I'm going to, So it was his idea, and I'm just there because he's a nobody anymore. He's just someone who's just trying to revive himself, but still not he's not following the right pattern or the right direction or the right motivation to move forward. He just keeps making excuses and complaining and feeling that the world is against him. So that was the attitude mostly when I was performing those kind of scenes. And also because you know, I have, you know my family, the Duels.
Who
We're
doesn't?
all very close knit. And the scenes which I did with my sister, right?
That's played by Sania Malhotra.
Yeah. It just made me feel like I was talking, you know, it just, because I worked with her earlier and that was a different scenario where I was, whatever.
killed me.
Yeah, I killed her.
It was not her brother.
But it's just kind of, you know, the way he's casted every one of us sitting over here.
Yeah.
That did the magic. Because everybody is somehow, the personalities portray those characters. You know, I see Sania, I feel there's my sister standing there and I'm stuck. And so it made it more easier to perform. You know, and I know my sisters, I have so many of them, and every time I'm in trouble, even if I'm wrong, they'll still take my side and try to help me out. Though they'll fire
You being an
me.
idiot.
Fire me, but so it was very real in that.
Yeah.
And the way he's written it and the way the scenes were conceived, it was just as if you were actually living it.
Yeah.
You know, and the most difficult part for me was to be normal. I've always been used to playing larger than life characters, and you get so you get stuck with that way of thinking. You know, you get so to play someone normal. I still remember the first day of the shooting. I couldn't sleep. I didn't sleep a wink. I just didn't understand. I've been wanting to do this film, and Nikhil has got Anurag, and I've been wanting to work with Anurag. And I don't know how I'm going to perform this character. How am I going to be so normal? I didn't sleep the whole night, and then Animal had just released, so that had changed everything for me. So I sat and watched Animal around 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's a 3-hour film, so it was up till 6 o'clock in the morning. I watched the film, and I'm like, what have I done? That people love me so much for my Animals performance. So as an actor, you can never understand. You do your best. All of us try to do the best we can to
Yeah.
portray a character. And coming to his set, he's not giving dialogues, okay? And you've been given the lines, and you're like, okay, but Anurag, yaar, मैं कैसे बोलूँ? नहीं, तू कर लेगा, तू फिक्र मत कर, तू कर लेगा. And because we already knew the moment, the situation, the dialogues were so spoken, the language was,
Yeah.
that I've never improvised in my life. And these were scenes where we were just action reaction to each other's thought of what they speak, and it just flew. You know, I mean, I've done such long scenes. We both have done such, and it was hot, and we're sweating, and it's like not ending. The scene is not ending, and you know, usually if you're doing a normal film, people will say, "Cut, pasina aa raha hai, dobara karo."
Damn.
And then the police station scene, which was 11 minutes long.
Even the dining table scene was the longest.
Yeah.
Position scene, and I did say cut. It's
The
all
police
single
station
take.
scene I actually
Single
cut.
cut.
In the original edit is 17 minutes.
Oh my goodness. So, again, set a little scene here for us. Introduce all these characters for people. Don't give anything away, but tell people what everybody is playing and what is their function in the film.
Bobby, the film belongs. See, the whole film is centered around Bobby's character.
He speaks very highly of you when you're not around, by the way, can I just say? Like, very highly of you, I think. You
Centered around Bobby's character.
Summer.
He plays Summer, who's a has-been, right? And Summer has a relationship with Sabah, Kushi,
Yes.
and his sister that comes later in the film,
Yes.
Suhani.
So, Hani, Sanya.
Huh? And Sapna is the past.
Gayatri.
Gayatri.
Yeah.
Right? The thing is, the whole inception was very, very simple inner feeling. This whole, after the advent of social media,
Yeah.
and after the whole Me Too movement and everything, there's this sudden cancel culture that started. I have a problem with it. I have a massive problem with cancel culture.
We differ on many things. That's
Yeah,
one of them.
That's okay. But I'm saying I have a massive problem with cancel culture. Because you know what? There was a time we made mistakes and we learned from mistakes.
Yeah.
Cancel culture does not give you the space to learn from your mistakes.
Social media justice.
Social media trial, media justice. I'm saying we do make mistakes and we learn. This whole social media has taken away that space where you have the opportunity to redeem yourself or realize your mistakes or fix it or do anything. आदमी 1 सेकंड में कैंसिल हो जाता है, 1 सेकंड में वायरल हो जाता है, 1 सेकंड में ऐसा हो जाता है. दुनिया खत्म हो जाती है, दुनिया बन जाती है. I'm saying I don't understand this world. I'm from a different world.
Right. So
Right.
so your film revolves around the merits and demerits of cancel culture.
My film is very simple about my film. I see it very simple. My film is a conversation starter.
Yeah, that it is.
I want it to be a conversation starter. People need to talk, which we have stopped talking. We have started judging people. We judge immediately, we make opinions immediately, and we have stopped talking.
Right.
And that's where I think the whole genesis and idea and intention was. And I did not know who will do this role. It was Nikhil's idea to bring Bobby. And I was like, why would Bobby want to do this role?
Lo and behold.
And then it happened, and slowly every other cast started following. Sapna Pabbi
Who
was
is
not supposed to.
incredible in this film. You are so good.
Scary like hell.
So good and gorgeous.
No, but she was
And
not
very
supposed to be
funny.
part of the film.
She wasn't part of the film.
No.
Well, now that she is, you should be happy.
Sapna Pabbi
He said-
came to India and she said, "Can I audition?" I said, "The role is not for you. You don't fit the role." She said, "I just want to. Can I audition for it? Because I want to practice. I've forgotten how to audition." And then that audition we saw, and everybody was blown by it.
How long
And
had
then-
you been away that you've forgotten how to audition?
Oh, that was a con.
Yeah, I'd been away for about four and a half years.
Yeah. So then you wanted to audition for Anurag specifically, or for this script specifically, or for this part
No.
specifically?
Well, I actually just wanted to audition for
Practice.
fun and to practice. I literally forgot what I was doing. So he actually said, go audition for as many roles as you can. He was like, have fun.
Yeah.
I did.
So I'm saying things started coming together like that.
Yeah.
And I did not want to reveal the script to people
Yeah.
because, we were walking a very thin line. It's a kind of a subject that everybody starts thinking, should we do it, should we not? My thing was, roughly I would tell the story and not much. I don't think anybody got to read the whole script.
Really, huh?
Nobody,
no one
nobody
read
read
it.
the script. They got the scenes on the day.
We heard that there is no script.
Yeah,
so
we were told
that
there's no
it's-
script.
So you're approaching these characters like sort of blind, not knowing. So you know that you're the sister and the brother's in prison, and you have to help him.
And
with
she
his
doesn't know
family.
what brother has done.
But
She
you don't know
actually
what
doesn't
he's
know.
done.
She doesn't know. That's how she's performed. And the scenes went on beyond the script.
To a Lego Tetris film you've made.
No, it's not that. The scene when they actually became brothers sisters while performing, they went beyond the script. It came to a point I was crying on the monitor and I didn't forgot to say cut. And they just went on. Half the lines were not written. They started feeling the film.
Yeah.
Is this exactly what happened with all of them? Like the sequence in the police station with Kushi. It just happened.
When she
It was
first
just-
arrives.
When she first arrives. So I'm saying it was a work process. It's a process that I used because I like actors to be in the moment. Right? So situations were created like that.
Yeah.
And the actors went on and I keep longer takes. I like to shoot the entire scene in one take. गड़बड़ हो गया तो वापस दोबारा scene in one take. Or change camera position but scene the whole scene in one take. And then that's how the film has been shot. And none of them knew the film. I till they saw it, I think yesterday or today. They didn't know what film they were public part of. So the thing is, it's not just that. And it has taken a long time to find the film. So उसमें एक क्या होता है ना कि I am a cinephile. I see world a certain way, right? I have a producer who's fully commercial. दबंग बनाया है, ऐसा किया. हम लोग फिल्म ढूंढ रहे हैं, हमें फिल्म नहीं मिल रही थी. मैंने ये फिल्म बनाई, इसने बोला इसने अपना एक अप्रोच करके इसने बनाया. And then suddenly I felt like what he did in that are like these 80% great ideas that if I do it like this, I'll find the correct film. I found a correct film after that. Because it was a struggle to find the right film and right balance. और ये भी हम लोग भी क्या है ना, हम लोग झगड़ा कर देते हैं.
Nikhil or up.
बहुत होता है. तो
But that is not surprising to anyone.
हाँ तो भाई I'm sorry for being myself.
नहीं आजकल कम हो गया है क्योंकि दिन में सिर्फ 3-4 बार करते हैं. 30-40 बार करते थे.
but listen, let's talk to your actors now. हो गया अभी हमने समझ ली film. Sabha, how do you approach a character that you don't know the background, future, place in the script?
So no, it wasn't like entirely blind. I was,
Yeah.
given a rough, like Anurag says, the script is a map, right? He, so he'll give you like a rough idea of what's happening, what the scene is, and dialogues. So on the day you'll be given something which it's like, oh, this is the dialogue, and then it'll be like, "Ye bhul ja," So they'll be like, "Isko bhul ja," and this is a situation. But then he'll construct a scene, right? He'll construct it. He'll construct it in a way where you're really not, you're reacting.
Yeah.
You're not thinking, you're in a situation and you're reacting. And as a theatre actor, I've never felt such freedom, on camera. And also this thing of doing long takes. It's the difference between, say, doing theatre and cinema, right? Because cinema is constantly like, "Arey, kaat do. You've done 3 lines this way, kaatu dusre axis se lete hain." So the freedom of actually doing the entire scene and then also doing it with like no dialogue actually, you have to say this dialogue.
Riffing.
Just improv on screen. I was in heaven. I don't think I felt this much delight on a set ever. It was really, really liberating for me.
Sana, are you having whiplash right now? You're seeing Sani Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari also simultaneously all over our Instagram feeds, and then you're also like in the middle of this Toronto Film Festival
Yes.
playing this
As
Suhani.
I said earlier, yeah, I'm
Because you're like, are you okay?
definitely discombobulated right now. I don't know whether to dance or be like serious.
But how did you approach the sister character? Again, without much information on where it's headed.
As Sabha said, it was liberating for sure. I loved his process. And I'm an overthinker. I love to do my homework before a film for a character. I get into my character. I develop their backstory. Family क्या कर रही है, पापा क्या करते हैं, मम्मी क्या करती हैं, everything. But with this, he told me, I don't want you to read anything. I will not tell you anything. You'll come for the shoot and I'll give you like an outline of what is happening. And फिर तुम भूल जाना और फिर तुम्हें जो करना है वो करना. And I loved that. I was like, I don't want to use my brain. Of course, I don't want to read anything. तो मैं तो बस मुंह उठा के आ जाती थी सेट पर. Every day.
नहीं, इमोशनली शी वुड गेट सो इन्वॉल्वड. एक शॉट हम लोग यूज नहीं कर पाए. वो एक्चुअली इतना घुस गई थी सीन में, हर लेग स्टार्टेड शेकिंग एंड शी सैट डाउन शाउटिंग एट हर ब्रदर.
Yeah, I
एंड देन
was
उतनी देर तक गायब हो गया, दिख ही नहीं
frustrated.
रही थी, एंड कैमरा मूव नहीं कर पाया,
Yeah.
एंड वी कुडंट यूज दैट शॉट. बट because I was on the side, I could see her legs started shivering and she sat down.
Yeah, I was literally
Because
frustrated
literally-
because it's towards the climax when I'm telling him why aren't you listening? Like, why can't you see that we are also suffering? And
That big long scene, yeah.
that long scene. And damn, I was so frustrated. At the same time, I was feeling horrible for him. I wanted to help him, but also this like feeling horrible to help him because I'm a woman. I don't know who to listen to. So many like thoughts were going on in my
Yeah.
head, and I could not.
I love watching an angry woman on screen, by the way. When
Yeah.
women are allowed to express their anger in a film, I am
love being
here
angry.
for it.
I love being angry.
Me too, girl. Same. Sapna, when you're approaching Gayatri, now Gayatri is sort of like where the conflict begins in Summer's life. How do you work with the material that's given to you to not make her a caricature also? Because you don't want her to be like a vamp from 70s Bollywood cinema also.
Well,
Or unless you do.
no, I don't think so. I think Anurag.
I don't think you
agree.
played it that way.
No, you
No,
didn't.
no, no,
No,
no.
you
You were
didn't.
so good at what you did.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You're so sweet.
No,
Yeah, I'm very overwhelmed with
see,
gratitude.
there's something that she had told me after doing this thing, because being very honest, she said, I understand Gayatri. See, Gayatri can be could have very easily been a caricature. If you know the girl who does this, that,
That's what I'm saying.
and right. But she said to me, I understand this character because part of it I have been, that I did not get the opportunity to correct myself. Remember?
Yeah, I mean, I completely, I mean, I empathize and resonate with her emotions, and I think we all can at some point in our lives, like the rage, the possessiveness, the obsessiveness, the anxiety, like when we're all being rejected for whatever it is, be it in our personal lives or even in our professional lives or now in our social media lives. I think we all feel those emotions, and I think it was so nice to have Sakshi there rooting me on with getting those female emotions out, but the very real ones. I think I can empathize and resonate with her emotions, which I very much did. Her actions, maybe not. So I think you can use emotions and dig them up and use them for different instances when you're performing.
Yeah.
They don't necessarily have to be things that you've been through exactly.
No, absolutely not.
Emotions
Yeah.
that are, what's the word right now? I can't find the word, but yeah, thank you. Yeah, you know.
When you're not acting with any of your female co-stars, you're in a prison for most part in this film, where it's just men and what men they are. But there's also a litany of wonderful actors in the prison sequences with you. Amir Aziz, Sukant Goyal, Mr. Sukumaran, Rajbir Shetty. Talk to me about like just having all of that energy around you when you, and for a large part of the film, you're just with the
I
men.
think, they all was, first of all, very excited that they were doing an Anurag Kashyap film.
Yeah.
Because, see, each actor, like how his process of making actors work is what makes it more exciting.
Yeah.
Especially people, all of them, all theatre actors.
And
for
such-
them to
Not a single
improvise,
junior artist, all
yeah,
theatre actors.
and for them to improvise and react the way they did, I'm sure they must have, thought about so many things before they played those characters, and it was just their energy, sitting in the jail with the fear. I could feel the fear when I was performing, because I kept thinking to myself, I'm in this locked up jail there's no space to even breathe or move, and how am I going to face, no matter how big I am physically, I cannot, I'm scared. And I felt that because of the way they performed.
Yeah.
It
You're clearly the biggest sort of, shining
Yeah.
body in the prison of all those people, because they're also beaten and they're small and they're sort of timid, and you enter, you don't know what to make
but
of
also
it.
because the kind of character I played is a guy who's from a city who has a sweet family, who's trying to be an actor, but he's not. I felt he was kept very protected. He didn't know how to face the world, and then when he's thrown into this, no matter who it is, no matter how big you are, if you're thrown into a prison, there's no way your physicality is going to get you out of any trouble.
No.
And the way they acted and the way they performed with me, and it was, they didn't care. They're standing in front of Bobby Deol. They were just looking at me, the Summer, the character, and the performing, and they just gave me that energy to react to them.
Yeah.
And there were some scenes which were quite embarrassing otherwise when you do them, but it just felt so real that I at that moment when I was doing those scenes, I would just feel that I didn't have the choice. I have to react to this. I have to do what they're asking me to do.
Yeah.
Because they made me feel that, and I think that was the best thing that happened in that whole sequence. Even the even the police station sequence, all the actors around me. I mean, in fact, there was one scene where I was just reacting to.
But the policeman, Jitendra Joshi.
And suddenly
You know, the
there was
I'll tell you, police
there was
scene,
no
one
moment of
scene.
giving me a glass of water.
Yeah.
But because I was reacting,
He just gives you.
he just came and
They
gave me
were
a
not
glass
part
of
of
water.
the scene, and I'll tell you what.
Oh, what?
That Bobby's police station scene.
The first one.
There's two cameras on Bobby, single shot.
Single shot.
One scene. I have not shot it twice. It's a single shot that we have cut. It went on for so long.
But they
And
just-
Bobby actually started crying, reacting to Jitendra's performance. And after the scene, I was so blown. And I think I forget to say cut. I sit on
As
the monitor.
everybody has mentioned at least twice in the last 20 minutes.
I started crying. And after the scene, I came and I hugged Bobby. And I told Bobby, it's just like, how good were you? Bobby says, he humiliated me so much, I felt humiliated.
I did.
And that was
He
what I
acted
was
so
doing was
well.
real.
Yeah.
It was like I felt such.
They're wonderful actors. Every
All of
last
them.
one of them. Your scenes with Sukant specifically in the prison are so good. They're so good. That's where you really get into the Summer's head. Like, what is he here? Is he there? And when your character interacts with all these men who some of them are saying I'm innocent, but then their views on what the crime is supposed to be are so messed up.
So messed up.
It's really like, and so your film is also like balancing things constantly from the beginning to the end. I felt the sense of, but when we're trying to say this, but you make up your own mind, but we're also saying this, but you think for yourself. Like, was that a conscious sort of one step forward,
No,
one
it's
step
not
back, two
like
steps
that.
forward?
That
Not
was not
balancing
the
it.
idea. Idea was not to find a constant balance. Idea was, you know what? ये prison है ना? Or under trial prison. In under trial prison, everybody has their own justification. Dangerous people are not the people with six packs and bodies. Dangerous people are like these thin people who will come and do anything to you. Right? And everybody thinks they're innocent. Their ideas form after a long time. It's like, how his arc goes on. Within the prison, when men talk about women, where it's all male.
There's no tenderness at all.
There's no tenderness.
Yeah.
There's no respect. And they think their manhood comes from
Being men.
being men. And talking about women like that. I didn't want to filter that. I said, let's just be real. And I'm feeling luckily, it's very rare, you can't get to make a film like this. I had a producer who was like, tu ja. Tu ja kar. And we were doing that. We were not censoring anyone. They were improvising. All theatre actors. Obviously, they're good improvisers. They knew the basic scene. They were improvising. They were doing things.
Yeah.
They were saying things on their own. A lot of things. It just went on. Like the song in the film.
Yeah.
It's improvised single take.
Dil Pinjra.
Oh my God, yeah.
It's an improvised single take.
It's improvised, huh?
It's improvised single take. No choreography.
And how long was it in the shooting process? How many days had the actors been together by then?
And the entire jail portion, 10 days, the entire film, 24-25 days.
Did you try to rein him at some point? What are you doing, man?
You can't firstly rein in Anurag Kashyap. I would love to rein him somehow at some point, but you don't get to do that. No, he's being very kind, but
Stirring up some shit.
Anurag has his own sense of how he wants to shoot a film. Those one-take scenes. That's why only Aarti Bajaj can edit his film. It's an editor's
Oh my
nightmare.
god, like hats off to Aarti Bajaj for editing this film the way she has.
I somehow with this film was the first time that I sat a little bit just to learn the process of edit,
So you
and
won't
I
see
wanted
her
to.
at all. They'll come out. No, they've never met Aarti. They'll say she doesn't come out.
Legendary editor.
ये सब पता है. Just not met her.
I now know how
And
she must have
no,
become
she's
legendary.
incredible.
She
By
became
dealing with
legendary
it.
because she got to edit an Anurag Kashyap film. There is nothing to edit. It's
The-
all one
I'll
take.
tell you what
I don't know
one-
how you
well,
edit that film.
I want to tell you one trivia about Aarti Bajaj.
Please tell.
Her first job was editing the trailer of Barsat. Her last job was editing Barsat.
I got to know.
The young stills are from Barsat. The photos from Barsat, no, on your bedside
बरसात,
table.
soldier, ये सब वहाँ से
Yeah.
इकट्ठे की हुई है.
बहुत ही cute. The Bobby Deol head shake.
The only thing I want to add,
ये अभी
Charita, I
खत्म
think
हुआ है. DCP 4 दिन पहले बनाया.
Yeah, Nikhil point बना रहे हैं.
yeah, stories should be told. I mean, everybody could have a different politics and a different way of understanding a content that's coming out. Some may think otherwise, and some would have a different perspective. But the film, we always felt this film should start a conversation, and there should be a debate, and one should talk. I think what he's said is what I also agree with. I think we have stopped talking. We have started to judge too soon, and
And
we've said no, you
opinionate
can't
too soon.
talk unless you're talking my point of view. Then you're on the wrong side. It's become very polarized. Be it the politics, be it the art. It's just either you.
Sports, like विराट कोहली ने 49 पे आउट हो गया. 50 नहीं मारे उसने, 100 नहीं मारे उसने.
Yeah,
हर चीज में opinionated
it's,
करता है.
it's two sides, and those sides have become as if they're enemies. Earlier, you could have a different political ideology, and you could still work together.
Yeah, but also
You
like
could
we're
still
also
do.
living in a tinder box of very bad scenarios
And
all over
that
the
is
world
why
right
this,
now.
Yeah,
and
but-
that is
but
why
you know,
this
it-
conversation
Towards
started.
fascism,
That's why we
anything.
need to maybe try to go back to the older times and try to have a conversation.
No,
try
but
to have a different
it also
perspective.
doesn't mean that we follow what's going on.
Yeah.
I definitely will not follow what's going on. In my life, I know that I will definitely not follow what's going on.
How do you mean not follow? Not follow what
What? मतलब in the sense
trends?
ट्रेंड्स व्हाट अगर ऐसे ही करना होता तो मैं सारी जिंदगी गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर बना रहा होता
हाँ.
मुझे नहीं करना
नहीं मैं नहीं कह रही आपने कुछ
नहीं
गलत किया है.
मैं कह
गुस्सा
रहा हूँ
मत
कि
करो मेरे पे.
बॉस समटाइम्स यू हैव टू चैलेंज
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
things,
Yeah.
system, the way of filmmaking, art, and the very existence of art is what? Why? Why is it there? Unless you don't challenge the norms,
Yeah.
unless you don't ask a question, my question might be wrong. My whole film tomorrow, you can say I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything. But for me, it is very important to do what it is. For me, I see the film as coming of age of a man-child. I see this film as so many things,
Which it is.
which a man-child comes of age. I'm saying it doesn't matter you are doing this or that and he's not committed a murder, right? But he, say for example, there's a girl, he realizes the sexual chemistry is not there. She sees it differently. He sees it differently. And he doesn't know how to deal with her. So he lets her do whatever she's doing. In her head, she's falling deeply in. He doesn't realize he's leading on. He's a different age. He's my age group. We are from different generation. We are not social media generation. Bobby and me are not social media generation, right? So literally at one point it was like I was like you're playing me. ये सब गलतियाँ हम कर चुके हैं लाइफ में. लेकिन वो बाउंड्रीज बनाना ये सब चीजें सीखना जो सिस्टर बोलती है आपके घर में दरवाजे नहीं है क्या?
I love that the moral compass comes from these two women also. That she says to him like, "Are you an idiot? Like, are you like how are you talking about her also right now?" And then when you also write to the character, anyway, like I don't want to give anything away. Let's not give away the film also.
Yeah.
But that's what I'm saying. Like there's from somebody who's watched the complete version of the film, you can sense that there's a balancing act going on. There's questions that you're asking through the film to yourself, to the audience. You're getting answers, and you're asking another question, and it flows like that. And
Yeah, idea is also
which is
to be
good, which is a good
provocative.
thing.
I'm not denying that.
Would it be an Anurag Kashyap film if it was?
I want to be provocative
Yeah.
because I feel cinema should either evoke or provoke. If it has a closed ending, then it's over now. आपने देखा ना घर गए खत्म. मेरे लिए फिल्म वो है जब आप फिल्म देखने के बाद आपके ऐसे हो. You don't know what's going on with you.
Do you agree with that? Do you think cinema should be provocative?
I just think
It can also be entertaining.
I just think
But
that
for me
as
it
an
is not.
actor, I don't know provocative or whatever. I just want to play characters that challenge me. And if it in a way does bring up a topic of discussion which is for the good, then it'll be really nice.
Yeah.
But for me, I'm not thinking about all these things.
Yeah.
I just love being an actor, and I'm doing a film because I'm portraying characters which I wouldn't be playing in my life real. But I have those emotions, I have been through those situations which I use to play that character, but I might have not lived that character. So that's the fun of being an actor. I don't think about all that. I just wanted to
Provoking people.
I just wanted to work with Anurag because he, for an actor, he's a delight. For an actor, he brings out something which they don't even know they have in them.
Right.
And for me, that was the best thing about being a part of this film because I've been telling Nikhil, I said, "Tu Nikhil, तेरे पोस्ट देखता रहता हूँ अनुराग के साथ, इसको बोलना मेरे साथ फिल्म करने को, अरे तेरा दोस्त है बोलना है इसको, मेरा भी तो दोस्त है लेकिन तू अभी इसको ज़्यादा जानता है तो इसको बोल मेरे साथ फिल्म करने को, इतने सालों से चल रहा है." And finally it happened.
And you were happy with the whole thing as it came to you right away? Like you didn't want to change anything around?
I didn't want to change it around because I'm not a writer, I'm not a director.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a sense of story, I have a sense of a character,
Yeah.
and that was interesting for me to play.
Which it is. Sanya, tell me what it is like to bring a film to an international film festival like this. Have you had any opportunity to even walk around? I know Sabha's been walking around watching films, and I'll ask you that next.
I would love to do that too. I've heard
मैंने पूरे list दी हुई है
so
सब
much. Oh yeah.
हाँ.
मुझे भी forward कर दो क्योंकि मेरा भी बहुत मन है. And I've heard so much about TIFF, and I met amazing people last night. We were all at a dinner, and yeah, it feels really good, gratifying, and of course it gives you another perspective. Like You see, I just saw that girl who was in that Netflix series, Baby Reindeer.
Oh.
She's in the same hotel.
In this hotel?
Yeah.
This is where everybody stays.
Yeah.
Everybody's there.
Yeah. Okay.
The whole
Which-
international
you know who I
stardom,
want?
सब बड़े बड़े
everybody.
stars
Which
यहीं पे
one?
रहता है.
You know who I
Everybody.
want?
Which one is it?
Pedro, he said he's.
Pedro Pascal is here.
Oh, I'm a huge Baby Reindeer
Yeah, and he
fan.
knows him.
Okay, we'll talk about Pedro Pascal
Later.
Well,
I
technically, Baby Reindeer should meet.
have
one day.
feelings. Sabah, how's your TIFF been
You have
so far?
serious feelings about
I have
it.
serious
Yeah,
feelings about
yeah,
Pedro
yeah.
Pascal. Yes, tell me, how's your TIFF been so far? Mazze!
I mean, incredible because I find the whole energy of a film festival very electric.
Yes.
It's like a bunch of people who are obsessed with cinema in one place. There's nothing better for me as a cinephile. Like, yeah, Anurag said, I'm obsessed with cinema. So I think outside of that, our film came here and, I'm here for that. I'm also extending my trip just to watch movies.
Yes.
And using my delegate pass, like, to the max. Yeah, so
Superb. That's the
yeah.
most beautiful.
What have you
Yeah.
seen so far? Tell.
I've seen yesterday, I kind of landed and half zonked and jet lagged. I just put on my clothes and ran to see Franz, which is about Franz Kafka, and I thought it was a beautiful film that kind of merged timelines.
Is
the
about
most
Franz Kafka? Is that Agnieszka Holland film?
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
missed that film.
Yeah.
It's about Kafka. You only
Agnieszka
told me to
Holland,
see
yeah.
Franz, and you didn't come.
Please let her finish her list. Anurag, shush. Ha.
Yeah, so yesterday I went and watched Franz, and I'm sticking around for like 3 extra days after our screenings are done just to movie marathon.
Park Chan-wook,
100%.
That I've seen.
Hamnet, Louis
Hamnet,
Zhao, The Voice of Hind Rajab,
Voice of Hind Rajab,
Yes.
Frankenstein.
We have a list.
We have a
Girl,
list.
we have a list. We've been working on this for weeks.
We've been like Zoom calling. And yeah.
And Monkey in a Cage.
Monkey in a Cage, yes. Monkey in a Cage.
मैंने तो शोले देखी.
Oh, we missed it.
I will come to you about Sholay as well this morning. But Sapna, let me ask from you. So the premiere is in a few hours. What are you feeling right now? Because this film that you just like, I will audition, and now you're in the film, and the film is at
Few
TIFF,
hours.
and you're sitting here, and in a few hours it's having its world premiere. Talk to me. What's happening right now inside?
I'm very overwhelmed with gratitude. I think that's my statement for today. So much gratitude for. Look who I'm sitting with. Look where I am. Man, yeah. Thank you all so much. It's been a wonderful experience.
She's very good in the film, you guys. Bobby sir, Sholay की screening कैसे गई आज सुबह?
मैंने देखी नहीं मैं गया था वहाँ पर लेकिन it was a great honor to be a part of the celebration of 50 years. Shivendra, who's worked so
Shivendra
hard.
Singh Dungar.
Shivendra is here.
Yeah,
He's here.
he's here.
He's also here.
Yeah.
Aranyar Din Ratri is also there.
He's
Restoration.
Oh.
Yeah.
So he's got the whole. He's been doing that for many years.
It's,
now. And I
you have to watch it.
was really happy because when he came to know that, I didn't even know my film was coming for TIFF till he told me.
Oh, he told you that Monkey is here.
Monkey is coming, and so Sholay is coming, so why don't you come and be a part of it?
So,
And it was
this is the
amazing.
first
I
time-
mean,
this is the first
it's a
time I
film
saw
that.
film.
The side conversation has broken out. 1 second, yeah. We're talking about Sholay, guys. Respect on Sholay. Yes.
No, it just felt like it just yesterday that the film released, and again people were there, so excited to watch it. It's
Yeah.
that film was one of its kind. I mean, no matter what.
No, not one of its kind. It's one.
It's one.
Only one.
But it's like सबकी film है. मतलब हमारी फिल्म नहीं सबकी है. मतलब it's like हमारी film.
India है.
वही पूरी फिल्म मतलब एक ही है जो है सबकी है.
How old were you when you first watched Sholay?
I was on the sets of Sholay.
Yeah. And
I
how old
was
were
a
you?
big fan of Jaya Ji, so I was very excited to see her. But she was in a white sari, and I didn't understand why was she wearing a white
She's so
sari.
sad.
हाँ.
अब कितने साल के थे आप?
मैं 4-5 साल का होऊंगा. So I was lucky to be in Ramgarh, a location which is on the outskirts of Bangalore, and to meet all the actors. And there was these American stuntmen who were there. I remember seeing them. I don't know their names now, but so it was nice. I was lucky, and I've seen a 4-hour cut of the film when I
Oh,
was a
wow.
kid. So I've seen edited portions which no one's seen,
Wow.
I would kill to watch
and
those.
somehow I remember some of them, and it was really nice that I was lucky because there were many moments which were so well shot, but because of the timing, the length of the film, they had to edit it. It was 4 hours long, which I saw.
I mean, an epic of that stature should be 4 hours long. I would happily watch it.
I know, but
I like longer films.
Me too. I'm a fan of long films. Very much so. Nikhil, lastly, Toronto is a huge marketplace for connoisseurs of cinema to watch the things that you bring, and that's got to be nerve-wracking as a producer to bring your film to TIFF. As a producer, what are you expecting this festival to turn out
So
to be like?
honestly, I hope the truth is that I'm not looking at this particular film towards the market as much as I want
Sure.
people to really watch it and understand what Anurag is trying to say and what the writers are trying to say with this film. I want people to like it, appreciate it, and to start a conversation. I want people to argue over it. I'm seeking an argument rather than the market right now. I think the markets are always a sale of any good film is a byproduct. It eventually happens on its own.
Yeah.
It's not something one should really bother.
कितने आर्गुमेंट शुरू करवाने बताओ मैं करवाती हूँ.
हाँ, हमारे अंदर ही चल रहा है इंटरनेट.
हमारे जेल में दौड़ जाता हूँ.
But thank you so much, you guys.
और मेरे और अनुराग के तो फिल्म के स्टार्टिंग से ही चल रहे हैं तो.
अब आप दोनों का आपस में देखो सारे. But thank you so much for chatting with me today. I'll let you guys go and get even prettier than you already are for your premiere. Thank you. And thank you for chatting with me. You can run.
Yeah, I will run.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.